'Tis the season for the gift of transportation for two Head Start mothers and their families. All thanks to the generosity of Bates Custom and Collision Centers and the Baytown and Channelview communities. For the last 21 years, Leala and Lee Bates have partnered with Harris County Department of Education's Head Start program and awarded mothers and fathers the Responsible Parenting Award.
Parenting Award, Quantasia Williams 2024. So I want to present this to you, and if you would just kind of lift open that box there. They're modeling and demonstrating work ethic, just the grit of figuring out how to make it happen. You know, we're looking to help those families with just a helping hand up. Families that really are already utilizing their resources and figuring out how to make it work every day.
And this year's recipients are humble Head Start mom, Octavia Lafayette, and her 3 children. And Baytown Head Start mom, Quantasia Williams, and her 3-year-old daughter, Malaysia.
The congratulatory call that we're able to share that exciting news.
And she said, hey, you have won the car.
She was in tears. I mean, I could just hear,
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And she just kept saying, no, it was the work that you put in. And I'm like, no, thank you.
here's your key.
Thank you.
It was just truly something that was a blessing to her. She talked about her family being such a big support.
I just know that God hears me and that He's on my side, and it's my season, because months ago I was using Uber. That was eating away my money. I had even started using my mom's car, and her car is kind of down.
Octavia works nights with the airport parking system and makes it home just in time to use her mother's car to take her 2-year-old, Tremond, to school.
Getting this vehicle, I'm able to do my weekend classes. I'm able to enroll again. I will soon be in school, 2025 school year.
And also planning to return to school to become a radiologic technologist is Louisiana native and now Baytown resident, Quantasia Williams.
I had my grandmother's vehicle, but I got into the hit and run accident where someone hit me from the back, and the vehicle ended up being total loss.
Her mother watches over Malaysia, while Quantasia works nights at Baytown's Methodist Hospital as a phlebotomist. And she loves helping patients in any way to make them feel comfortable.
And I love being a phlebotomist. I love what I do.
But I want to tell you how special you are. You know, you were chosen. And it's because of all the good that you're trying to do that you were recognized.
And so I just paid attention when she would drop off every morning. And I noticed that she was driving an Uber. She would be coming in Ubers, or it would be a different family member. And so one morning I just asked her mom if they had other transportation or if this was the only one. And she said she's using my car, and we share cars as a family. So that's what essentially made me want to nominate her out of all the families, because I saw that she was trying, even with her working at night.
I'm gonna take Malaysia wherever she would want to go. Like, she loved going to the zoo, she loved eating out. So just that, going to church to give thanks, just thanking God for everything, for blessing us.
When you gift a person who is struggling and striving without transportation, you literally give them wings. And I get to see that professionally, and we get to repeat that over and over with different partners in the community, but none of them to the level that we do with Bates Custom and Collision.